I was so focused on like formula and color, but everything else just kind of fell into place. Hermes Bro, and
Kylie Jenner's journey from the world of reality television to the heights of the beauty industry is nothing short of extraordinary. As the founder of Kylie Cosmetics, she has not only redefined beauty standards, but also showcased the power of leveraging personal branding and social media. Kylie Jenner was born into the renowned Kardashian Jenner family, instantly placing her in the public eye. Growing up on the reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, she became a household name before her teenage years. The show, which documented her family's lavish lifestyle, personal dramas, and significant milestones, provided Kylie with a substantial platform to build her brand. Despite being the youngest sibling, Kylie's distinctive charm and style made her stand out. Her early exposure to fame and constant media scrutiny played a significant role in shaping her resilience and business acumen. These qualities would later become crucial in her entrepreneurial endeavors.
I'm showing you guys my bedroom because I feel like it's really personal.
In 2015, Kylie launched her own cosmetics line, Kylie Cosmetics, which swiftly became a global phenomenon. Her use of social media to market her products and connect with fans was groundbreaking, contributing to her success. By leveraging her fame and understanding of the beauty market, Kylie transformed her personal brand into a billion-dollar enterprise. Her journey from reality TV star to a successful entrepreneur exemplifies her determination and innovative spirit, marking her as a significant figure in contemporary pop culture and business.
Hi, I'm Kylie Jenner, and this is the 2-minute makeover with Grazia.
Kylie Jenner entered the business world in 2015 with the launch of Kylie Cosmetics, debuting the now famous Kylie lip kits. She targeted a gap in the beauty market, offering trendy, high-quality lip products. Despite doubts initially, her endeavor swiftly gained momentum, largely due to her extensive social media presence. Leveraging platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, Jenner pioneered a new approach to marketing, directly engaging her vast following. Through candid glimpses into her product development process and personal life, she cultivated an authentic bond with her audience, a key driver of her immense sales. Jenner's strategic use of social media not only promoted her brand, but also fostered a sense of intimacy and trust, distinguishing her in the competitive beauty industry. This innovative blend of entrepreneurship and digital influence solidified Jenner's position as a powerhouse in both business and social media realms. Kylie Cosmetics rapidly evolved from selling lip kits to offering a wide range of beauty products, including eyeshadows, highlighters, and skincare items. Each product launch was a highly anticipated event, often selling out within minutes. This success can be attributed to Kylie's keen understanding of her target market and her ability to create buzz through social media. Financially, the brand grew exponentially, making headlines when Forbes named her the youngest self-made billionaire in 2019. Collaborations with celebrities and influencers further boosted the brand's visibility and appeal, solidifying Kylie Cosmetics as a major player in the beauty industry. The designation of Kylie Jenner as a self-made billionaire sparked widespread debate. Critics argued that her family's fame and wealth gave her an unfair advantage, while supporters highlighted her entrepreneurial spirit and innovative marketing strategies. Regardless of the controversy, Kylie's financial achievements are undeniable. By the age of 21, she had built a billion-dollar company, a feat that showcases her business acumen and ability to capitalize on her brand.
Pretty much, I've always been obsessed with makeup and lip liner specifically, and I feel like my fans and followers kind of knew me for overlining my lips and getting the fuller lip.
Her story is often compared to other young billionaires, but what sets Kylie apart is her use of social media and direct-to-consumer sales model, which has revolutionized the way beauty products are marketed and sold. Kylie's success is not just a result of her celebrity status, but also her marketing genius. She has masterfully used her personal brand to create a loyal customer base. Kylie's marketing strategies are innovative and highly effective. She often uses limited edition releases and exclusive collections to create urgency and demand. Her campaigns are visually appealing, leveraging her own image to sell products. By making herself the face of her brand, Kylie has ensured that her business is closely tied to her persona, creating a unique selling proposition that resonates with her audience and differentiates Kylie Cosmetics in a crowded market. Social media has been a cornerstone of Kylie Jenner's business strategy. Platforms like Instagram and Snapchat have allowed her to reach millions of potential customers directly, bypassing traditional advertising channels. Kylie's posts offer a mix of personal updates and promotional content, creating an authentic connection with her followers. Her ability to engage with fans through comments and live videos has fostered a sense of community around her brand. This direct engagement not only drives sales, but also provides instant feedback on products.
Visually live. Let's see.
one person in here. I think there's probably more.
Allowing Kylie to adapt quickly to consumer preferences and trends. Building on the success of Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner has expanded her business empire into new territories. In 2019,
The first product that we created was our face wash. We went through so many rounds to get the perfect amount of
she launched Kylie Skin, a line of skincare products that quickly gained popularity. She has also explored partnerships with major brands, further diversifying her portfolio. Kylie's business strategy includes continuous innovation and expansion into complementary markets, ensuring sustained growth. Future plans might include ventures into fashion, wellness, or other lifestyle products, reflecting her ability to anticipate and respond to market trends and consumer demands. Kylie Jenner's influence extends beyond business. She is also committed to philanthropy and social responsibility. She has been involved in numerous charitable initiatives, from donating to children's hospitals to supporting social justice causes. Kylie often uses her platform to raise awareness about important issues and encourage her followers to get involved. Her philanthropic efforts enhance her public image and demonstrate her commitment to giving back to the community. While some critics question the sincerity of celebrity philanthropy, Kylie's consistent efforts suggest a genuine desire to make a positive impact. Her charitable work includes significant donations to children's hospitals, disaster relief funds, and various social justice initiatives, highlighting her dedication to using her influence for good. Balancing her personal life with her professional endeavors, Kylie Jenner has managed to maintain a high-profile yet relatively private personal life. Her relationships, particularly with rapper Travis Scott and their daughter Stormi, are often in the spotlight. Despite constant media scrutiny, Kylie has navigated the challenges with poise, using her personal experiences to connect with her audience. Her ability to handle public and media attention has contributed to her image as a relatable yet aspirational figure. Kylie's openness about her personal struggles and successes adds depth to her public persona and reinforces her brand's authenticity. Like many public figures, Kylie Jenner has faced her share of challenges and controversies. From accusations of product quality issues to debates over her self-made status, she has navigated numerous publicized hurdles. Kylie has also been criticized for cultural appropriation and other missteps. However, her response to criticism, often involving public apologies and corrective actions, demonstrates her resilience and commitment to learning from mistakes. These experiences have not only tested her character, but also strengthened her resolve to improve and innovate, further solidifying her position in the industry. Kylie Jenner's impact on the beauty industry and popular culture is significant. She has inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs, particularly young women, to pursue their business ambitions. Her innovative use of social media as a marketing tool has set new standards for the industry. Kylie's legacy will likely be marked by her contributions to the democratization of beauty and her role in shaping modern consumer culture. As she continues to evolve her brand and explore new ventures, her influence is expected to grow, leaving a lasting mark on both the beauty industry and entrepreneurial landscape. Kylie Jenner's journey from reality TV star to business mogul is a testament to her entrepreneurial spirit and marketing genius. Her ability to leverage her personal brand and social media has redefined success in the beauty industry. Kylie's story is not just about personal achievement, but also about the transformative power of innovation and resilience. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Global Secrets for more inspiring stories and insights.